Hi students, in this video we will discuss manipulating and simplifying regular expressions. Right, how to manipulate a given regular expression and how I can simplify the regular expression. As you all know, this regular expression is related with regular language. And the language accepted by my finite state machine or finite automata is the regular language. And this regular language can be expressed in the form of regular expressions. Right, and here we are having some identities for regular expressions. The first one is alpha plus beta, which is equal to beta plus alpha, which is the commutative law. And the next one is associative one. And the next third one is identity law. Alpha plus phi, which is equal to phi plus alpha, is nothing but my alpha. Right, next alpha plus alpha is equal to alpha. And the fifth one is given any two sets A and B. Given any two sets A and B, if B is a subset of A. If B is a subset of A, then A union B is equal to A. You know, in regular expression, the operator corresponding to union is plus. Right now. So A plus B is equal to A. So we can see what is it. Right. Suppose if you have like this. A star plus AA. How to simplify this A star plus AA? Right, so you take this A star and expand it. You know, this A star is clean star. Right, so this clean star and clean plus are repetitive operators. Right, I can use these operators to generate more number of strings. Right, clean star and clean plus. This is clean star. And this star indicates, right, I can have null or more recurrence of A. If it is A star, I can have null or I can have, so I can have null or more recurrence of A. Right, so it is null, single occurrence of A, two occurrence of A, three occurrence of A, and it goes on. Right, now you check this AA. Right, how do I get this AA? When I expand this. Right, A star, it can be null or single A, 2A, 3A, and it goes on. Right, so can I say this AA is the subset of A star? Yes. Right, AA is a subset of A star. In that case, how I can simplify this regular expression? It will be equal to A star. That's what it is given here. If B is a subset of A, then A union B will be equal to A. I have given an example also. Right, next we can see the identities involving the clean star. Right, so phi star is equal to epsilon. You know, in regular expression, phi represents empty language. Right, so phi star is equal to epsilon. Epsilon star is equal to epsilon. Alpha star, the whole star is equal to alpha star. Suppose if you have anything like this, A star, the whole star. Right, how you can simplify it? That, right, which is equal to A star. That's what it is given. Alpha star, the whole star is equal to alpha star. Next, alpha star dot alpha star is equal to alpha star. This is nothing but my concatenation operator. So, if you have anything like B star dot B star, you can simplify to B star. B star concatenation operator, B star is equal to B star. Right, next. Few more identities are there. You can see this one. Suppose language of alpha star, if it is a subset of language of beta star, then alpha star, beta star is equal to beta star. I'll take an example. A star, A plus B, the whole star, which is equal to, right, take this A as alpha and A plus B as beta. A as alpha and A plus B as beta. Right now. So you know this is A star, but what about this A plus B the whole star? So this A plus B the whole star has A star. So A star is the subset of A plus B the whole star. A star is a subset of A plus B the whole star. In that case, this regular expression I can write A plus B the whole star. Right, that's what it is written here. A star into A plus B the whole star, which is equal to, since A star is a subset of A plus B the whole star, alpha star is a subset of beta star, I can write this regular expression to A plus B the whole star. Suppose if it is the reverse, if beta star is a subset of alpha star, right, how to simplify? Beta star is a subset of alpha star, which should be equal to alpha star, which should be equal to alpha star. And one more identity we have, alpha union B. Suppose if you have like this, alpha A union B the whole star. You know this union, the corresponding operator is A plus B the whole star. A plus B the whole star. How to manipulate this regular expression, right? So when you bring this star inside, this plus becomes dot, right? So it will be A star dot B star the whole star. A star dot B star the whole star. That's what it is written here. Alpha union beta the whole star is equal to alpha star dot beta star the whole star. And the last identity is, suppose if you have any regular expression like this, alpha union beta the whole star, A union B the whole star, and if you have a condition like if beta is the subset of alpha star, right, take this as alpha, A as alpha and B as beta, and if beta is the subset of alpha star, right, in that case I can write this regular expression to alpha star, right. I'll show an example, B plus BB the whole star, B plus BB the whole star. Assume this is alpha, this is beta. What is beta? BB is beta. If beta is a subset of alpha star, if alpha is equal to B, alpha star is equal to B star, and check whether BB is the subset of B star. Is it true? Right? BB is the subset of B star, because when you expand B, you can get null or 1B or 2B and it goes on. So BB is the subset of B star. In that case, what I can write, which is equal to alpha star. What is alpha? It is B, alpha star. I can reduce this expression to B star. B plus BB the whole star is equal to B star. Right? So using these identities, now we are going to solve simplify the regular expression. Yes, students, we'll solve this sum. We'll simplify the given regular expression. The given regular expression is A star plus 5 the whole star plus AA into B plus BB the whole star, B star into A plus B the whole star, B star plus AB the whole star. This is the regular expression given, and we are going to simplify this regular expression. Right? So first we can finish this bracket. We can simplify this. Right? A star plus 5 is A star. Right? So how it is A star, and I have a whole star. So I have a whole star plus this AA. Remaining things I will write as it is. B plus BB the whole star, B star, A plus B the whole star, B star plus AB the whole star. AB the whole star. Right. Next, A star the whole star. How I can simplify? Alpha star the whole star is equal to alpha star. So this will be equal to A star plus I have this AA. Right. And you can write the remaining B plus BB the whole star, B star, A plus B the whole star, B star plus AB the whole star. Am I correct? Next, check. Can I simplify this one? A star plus AA. Can I simplify this one? A star plus AA. Right? Can I use this identity? A star plus AA, which is equal to A star. This is equal to A star. Remaining is B plus BB the whole star, B star, A plus B the whole star, B star plus AB the whole star. Right. Next, check whether I can simplify this B plus BB. B plus BB. Can I use this identity? What is this identity? If beta is the subset of alpha star, then I can reduce this expression to alpha star. If beta is the subset of alpha star, alpha union beta, the whole star is equal to alpha star. Right? So this is my alpha part and this is my beta part. Right, now my beta BB is a subset of alpha star. What is alpha star? B star. So BB is the subset of beta star. BB is the subset of beta star. Right, so this complete regular expression I can reduce to B star according to this identity. Right, so it is A star, B star. I have one more B star here, B star. Then A plus B the whole star, B star plus AB the whole star. Now what about this B star dot B star? Right, I can write only once according to this identity. Alpha star dot alpha star is equal to alpha star. So A star, B star, A plus B the whole star, B star plus AB the whole star. Right. Next, check whether I can simplify this part. Right, I can simplify this part. What is that part? A plus B the whole star, B star. A plus B whole star, B star. Right. So this beta star is the subset of this alpha star. If I consider A plus B as alpha and B as beta, now my beta star is the subset of alpha star. This B star is inside my A plus B the whole star. So B star will be the subset of A plus B the whole star. Right? So what is that? This one. Beta star is the subset of alpha star. Then alpha star dot beta star is equal to alpha star. Right? So here it is A star, B star, which is equal to, right, alpha star. So it is A plus B the whole star, right, plus AB the whole star. Right. Now this AB is the subset of A plus B the whole star. AB is the subset of A plus B the whole star. Right. So according to this, right, this beta A, here we have written, right. So here it is A star, I have A plus B the whole star, plus here I have AB, here I have AA, which is equal to A star. So how to reduce this? A star, B star, which is nothing but A plus B the whole star. According to this identity, my AB is the subset of A plus B the whole star. Now check. Take this part. Take this part. Right. Take this as alpha and this is beta. So alpha star is a subset of beta star. Right? Alpha star, where is it? Alpha star is a subset of beta star, which is equal to beta star. Right? So I have A star. What is my beta star? A plus B the whole star. A plus B the whole star. Now, consider this is alpha and this is beta. Right? Now my A star is the subset of A plus B the whole star. Right? So, alpha star is the subset of beta star, which is equal to A plus B the whole star. Right? This is my final answer. My given regular expression is simplified into A plus B the whole star. Thank you.